Hello! In front of me I have Emporio Armani Connected, and I'm gonna show you how to connect to the Wi-Fi network and how to disconnect from the Wi-Fi network on this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the crown button. After you wake up the screen, you can press the crown button again to open the menu. Now, scroll through this menu, find the settings icon, and tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, let's scroll down, find the option called connectivity and select it. And here you should see the option called Wi-Fi, so tap on it to enter. And we are in the Wi-Fi menu. Make sure that the Wi-Fi is enabled. Basically this switch should be flipped on and it should say automatic. And once it does, scroll down and find the option called add network. And here basically we can connect to the network. So find the network on the list, for example this one, tap on it to select it, and now we need to enter the password, and we have two options: enter on phone or enter on watch. Give me a second because I tapped on something by mistake. Oh, okay. So we have two options: enter on phone or enter on watch. If you tap on enter on phone, it will basically open the Wear OS application on your phone and you will be able to enter the password. It's gonna make it easier. If you tap on enter on watch, you can basically use the keyboard on the watch to enter the password. I'm gonna use this option, so I'm gonna tap on enter on phone, enter the password quickly, and tap on connect. As you can see, it's connecting to the network. And once it's done connecting, it will disappear from this list. And if you go back to the Wi-Fi page, the main Wi-Fi options, you will see that the network is right here below the button and it says connected. This means that you're connected to the Wi-Fi network at this point. So that's how you connect to the network. To disconnect from the Wi-Fi network, you need to find it here or scroll down and find this option called saved networks. Tap on it. This will open the list of saved networks and you will see a list of networks you're connected to. And if you want to disconnect from a certain network, simply find it, tap on the X button next to it and tap on the check mark to confirm. And then the network will disappear. And also it will be not connected anymore. As you can see, it will say last used, because this was the most recent network, but it's not connected anymore. So if you want to use it again, you need to reconnect to it. Okay. And that's how you disconnect from the Wi-Fi network. And once you're done, you can press the crown button to go back to watch face. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.